Alright, as you can see here, on each ends of this drawer box, the face is actually broken. Now what I'm doing here is obviously just putting some tight bond into the little crevices. No, don't eat glue. That's disgusting. And I'm going to take the pieces that broke off and put them back, obviously, where they belong. But even when you do this, what ends up happening is you're going to have spaces that just chipped away or broke away. So what you use bondo, just your run-of-the-mill, automotive bondo. It works great for woodworking, especially if you're painting. Now, it has a quick working time, so just be aware of that. Usually like less than 5 minutes. But as you can see, this stuff here is pretty obvious, and you can see those cracks and whatnot. That's what will get filled in with the bondo. Now I let that glue set up for about 3 or 4 hours. I think it ended up being about 6, but either way, it worked out. It glued up real well, and I'll fill in all those crevices with bondo. Now you can see here,
where
this is like after I've applied the bondo and sanded some off, so you can actually see it.
Use some
That was the
bondo
real bad side, with a big hole in the side that you can see. There's missing pieces. That's all filled in, and I'll sand here a little bit more, and you'll be able to see like
that was the bad broken side.
How much smoother it gets. And it's the same here. The size of that little corner where I wasn't quite finished sanding right where I'm touching, and then
but then I'll be ready to paint.
It'll end up painting over smooth and be fixed. Absolutely lovely. Now here you see that's after I've sanded it. Now I'm just giving her a good coat of paint. There's a couple more after that too. But it painted up nice, and it actually I've forgotten which drawer it is because it ended up looking so good, and it just you can't even tell that anything happened now. So another happy customer, a crisis averted with the help of bondo.